If your shorts get 0 views and you feel like you've tried everything, then this video is for you. And no, this is not about your content sucks, so you should fix it type of advice. These are things that I've done while growing my YouTube channels. I have this one with 30,000 followers and one with 150,000 followers. This video has 4 simple and clear steps that you should follow. These are mistakes and solutions at the same time, so you don't have to watch a 10-minute video. So let's get started. First of all, don't use aged accounts. Now this is a tip that I've encountered so much because I've watched hundreds of hours of content on how to grow on YouTube, and especially with YouTube Shorts, and these aged accounts were everywhere.
Uploading on an aged account.
It's an aged account, and
many people were selling these. These are a scam, and I'll tell you why you should not use them. Because if you use an aged account and it is an inactive account that doesn't watch videos, doesn't like, then it is already flagged with a negative flag by the algorithm, and then try and upload multiple videos there. You should start fresh. But it can work, and it has worked for me, only if that account is actually active, or if you have an aged account and you warm it up for a week or so you actually use that account every day to watch videos for a few hours every day. But the same goes for a new fresh account. It's the same thing. It's almost neutral. There's almost no difference between those two, and in most cases actually there could be a few slightly negative points that I could make for an aged account. Number 2 is spam uploading. This is not TikTok or Instagram. I've made that mistake a lot because I used to do TikToks a lot. I had like 3 million followers. And when I jumped on YouTube, I noticed that it's not okay to post 3 videos per day, for example. Some channels do it and it works, but it's not the rule, it is the exception. Mainly you want to post once per day and a good video. And also something that I didn't know and I tested is that if one video performs very well and it starts getting traction, you should not upload at all. You just pause everything and you wait for that video to start stagnating in views, because YouTube focuses on that video, so uploading a new video would just make it worse. Maybe for your channel won't be exactly like that, so that's why you should test. Number 3 is the AI problem. My channel with 150,000 followers was mainly AI. Actually, it was AI, but the algorithm generally is very strict towards AI content. It wants original content, and if you're not trying to hide that and your content is using AI way too obviously, then it's not gonna work, and it's probably the reason you're not getting views. I had a long form channel where I was uploading sleep stories with AI, but these perform very poorly. I tested it on 4 channels and all 4 channels were shadow banned. I had no views and no impressions. So this can happen on shorts as well. For that I used captions that were not AI generated, like I manually typed that, or I manually did changes that were not, stock or default AI. And number 4, which is the best solution I've written down, is test accounts. So what are those test accounts? Basically, some accounts can get flagged from their birth. So the moment you create the account, it can get flagged, and then it is very difficult to get views on that specific account. So what I do to combat this is creating multiple accounts or creating a new account every time I test one. So for example, in the same niche, the same concept, the same idea, you create 2 to 3 channels and post different videos on those channels to test them out. What I did is usually created one channel, tested 7 videos for a week, then I would study the analytics, and if they were pretty bad, basically AVD and swipe rate. If they were bad, I would create a new channel, same exact concept but different username, like a small tweak, and then I would upload the same videos there after re-exporting them. And I would do that a few times to find the winner channel. Sometimes it is not needed, sometimes it is very necessary, but it is the best solution I've found when it comes to shadow bans in all social media platforms. And I don't think there are better than these. Like most people tell you, stop making crap content. I mean, I've seen people making crap content and doing very well on social media, by the way. So yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure you stick around, join the family. Also, I have a whole free guide for creators, by the way. There's no additional cost or anything like that. You can check it out. It will be in the description. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you next time, hopefully. Bye bye.